Unit 10. Reading. A. UNESCO World Heritage.
The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, seeks to identify, protect and preserve the cultural and natural heritage of the world that is of value to all human beings. Heritage is what we receive from the past, live with today, and pass on to future generations. Our cultural and natural heritage are sources of life and inspiration and cannot be replaced. Places as unique and varied as the wilds of Africa's national parks, the Acropolis of Athens, and the Great Barrier Reef in Australia make up our world's heritage. The World Heritage List includes 981 properties made up of 759 cultural, 193 natural, and 29 mixed properties.
B.
To be included on UNESCO's World Heritage List, sites must meet at least one of the following 10 criteria. 1. Be a masterpiece of human creative genius. 2. Show an important exchange of human values. 3. Be proof of a cultural tradition or of a living or past civilization. 4. Be an outstanding example of a place from a significant stage in human history. 5. Be an outstanding example of a traditional human settlement that represents a culture. 6. Be associated with events, ideas, beliefs, artistic and literary works of outstanding universal significance. The committee considers that this criterion should preferably be used together with other criteria. 7. Contain outstanding natural phenomena or areas of exceptional natural beauty. 8. Be outstanding examples of major stages in Earth's history. 9. Be outstanding examples of significant ecological and biological processes. 10. Contain significant natural habitats for biological diversity, including threatened species.
C.
Site: Mausoleum of the First Qin Emperor. Year discovered: 1974. Year designated: 1987. Location: China. Category: Cultural. Criteria: 1, 3, 4, 6. Reason for designation: the army of famous terracotta warriors has stood to attention through the centuries, guarding the tomb of the emperor who united China. Thousands of statues still remain to be discovered at this archaeological site. Qin, 259 BC to 210 BC. The first unifier of China is buried here, surrounded by his terracotta warriors. The figures all have different faces. They also have clay representations of their horses, chariots, and war weapons. They are artistic masterpieces and have great historical interest since the mausoleum is also associated with an event of worldwide importance: the unification of the different Chinese territories into one country by the first emperor of China in 221 BC.
D. Arabian Oryx Sanctuary. First site ever to be deleted from UNESCO's World Heritage List. June 28, 2007. The World Heritage Committee today decided to remove the Arabian Oryx Sanctuary from UNESCO's World Heritage List. The sanctuary, which was placed on the list in 1994, has become the first site to be delisted since the establishment of UNESCO World Heritage in 1972. UNESCO's reason for this was the fact that 90% of the site is being used to search for oil, so that the sanctuary could not be conserved. In 1996, there were 450 Arabian oryx living on the site, but that number has fallen to 65, and its future is uncertain.